This is about equation of straight line. They say that L1 is with the equation ax equal to 1. So if we change it, ax equal to 1, that means x is equal to 1 over a, which means that the x coordinate, every point on this line, the x coordinate is 1 over a. By observing this is left hand side of origin, which means it is some negative value. We know that 1 over a is smaller than 0, which means a itself should be negative, so that positive divided by negative give you negative values. Whenever you handle this, there are some unknown coefficients, so you should construct a table to write down each item. Is that confirmed positive or negative? It's very important for us to handle inequality by identifying is that coefficient positive or negative. After that, we focus on this line, which is not horizontal or vertical line. This is bx plus cy equal to 1. This format is not favorable our calculation about the slope and y-intercept. So we change it to slope-intercept form, which means make y be the subjects. Both sides divided by c. Then we have the slope directly, which is negative b over c. And the y-intercept is positive 1 over c. Because the y-intercept looks simpler, only one unknown is involved, so I consider 1 over c first. 1 over c is above the ground, so larger than 0, which means c itself is positive. And now we can consider y. This is going upward, which means the slope should be positive. So I start calculating negative b over c, the slope should be positive. I don't want fractions, so I both sides times c. The key point is c is a positive value, so when you both sides times c, a positive value, it won't check a change in the direction. It's still larger than. Finally, that means b is smaller than 0. b itself is negative. Then we try to make some conclusion. They say a is smaller than 0. This is correct. a is more than b. We are not sure yet because both of them are negative. c is larger than 0, so the first statement also correct. We still need to work on this question a little bit more to find out the relation between a and b. So we focus on the x-intercept that we didn't calculate yet. For the x-intercept, bx plus cy is equal to 1. X-intercept, that means y is equal to 0. That means this position is 1 over b. Then we can compare, because this is at right hand side of 1 over a, which means that 1 over b, right hand side larger than 1 over a. I don't want fractions, so I both sides times a. a over b, 1 here. Don't forget a is negative, so when you multiply it, it's trigger a change in the direction. Next step, I want to both sides times b, because I don't want fraction. So compare a and b. Again, b is a negative value, so whenever we times negative value, it's changed back again. It's changed the direction again. So a is larger than b. This is wrong statement. The answer should be b.